What the heck is going on, guys? My name is Mo, and in this tutorial series what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to use Tkinter. And if you're saying, what the heck is Tkinter? Tkinter is pretty much a Python library that is going to allow you to build GUI applications. And if you're saying, what the heck is a GUI application? So let me just give you a couple of examples of GUI applications. So pretty much all of these applications that you see, guys, right here are examples of GUI applications. And in fact, these are the specific applications that we are going to build in this particular tutorial series. Pretty cool, huh? So we are going to build a food price app, a file counter app, a Python IDE app, and a calculator app, and also an email sender app. And pretty much these apps that we are going to build are going to allow you to master Tkinter. Let me explain what I mean by that. When you guys build all these apps with me, you're going to have a lot of knowledge about Tkinter. And when you have a lot of knowledge about Tkinter, you're going to pretty much use this knowledge that you have accumulated from watching these tutorial series, and pretty much you're going to have the ability to build your own app. In other words, by building all of these apps with me, you're going to have enough knowledge by the end of this tutorial series to build your own Tkinter app, which is pretty awesome and pretty legit. Let me show you what these apps actually do. So the first app that we're going to build is pretty much a food price app. And let me just click this thing right here and type in a random number and click this button. And as you guys can see, it printed a specific number out. So you guys, of course, don't know what all of these numbers mean, but I'm going to explain it to you guys in this particular tutorial series. I just want to show you that these apps actually work. So let me just also use this particular app. And what this particular app is going to allow you to do is count how many times specific words occur within a specific file. Pretty cool, huh? So let's just go ahead and type in the word light, man, and food. And let's just go ahead and select a text file. And in this case, I'm going to choose the Bible. And if I click this button right here, as you guys can see, it printed out a specific text right here. And this specific text indicates how many times specific words occurred within the Bible. Pretty cool. So let's just go ahead and clear that and close it. And okay, this is one of my favorite apps. So let's just go ahead and click that. And as you guys can see, pretty much this app is going to allow us to run Python code. So if we go ahead and type in for I in range 0 and 10, let's go ahead and print I, and we run this. As you guys can see, it printed out the result right here. So it's a really, really cool app, and it's actually one of my favorite apps. All right, and this is going to be the calculator app. And what the calculator app is going to do is really obvious. It's going to take two numbers, and it's going to pretty much sum those numbers, multiply those numbers, divide those numbers, do a bunch of cool stuff to these two numbers. All right? You guys got the idea. And what this app is going to pretty much allow us to do is going to allow us to send an email to our friend or our boss or to our mother or whatever. So this is the place where you're going to specify your email. This is the place where you're going to specify the email of the person whom you want to send the email to. And here is the place where you can specify the message that you want to send. And after that, you can click this button to pretty much send the message. So let me just close this. All right, so you guys now know exactly what we are going to build in this tutorial series. Again, guys, don't lose the opportunity to learn how to build GUI applications using Python. I have designed this course specifically to take you from a complete beginner to advance in using Tkinter. So this is a great opportunity for you to enhance your understanding of programming and allow yourself to build GUI applications using Python. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked about it. Let's just go ahead and get right into it.